You can't see the Wi-Fi icon on your Windows taskbar. This can happen due to hidden settings, disabled network services, or system glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing Wi-Fi icon problem in Windows step by step. So let's get started. Step 1. Run the network troubleshooter. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select System. Again, click on System. Now go to the Troubleshoot option, then Other Troubleshooters, find Network and Internet, and click Run next to it. Let the troubleshooter run. It may take a minute to detect any issues and offer potential fixes. If this doesn't solve your problem, then follow the next step. Step 2. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on the Windows icon, then select Settings. Now on the left menu, click on Network and Internet. Then at the bottom, click on Advanced Network Settings. Here you can see this Wi-Fi option. Disable it and wait for a few seconds. Then again, enable it, and your Wi-Fi icon will show up again. I hope this will solve the problem of your Wi-Fi icon not showing on Windows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.